Hello, today we are back at Stanley Park to give you a little update on the Liverpool ground, Anfield Road stand extension. Here it is. So there's loads of people working on the roof today. You'll see that in the video coming. The concrete's completely complete now. We are going to do a live stream on Friday the 31st of March, so you'll be able to see this a lot better. But just this corner here, they've started fitting the rest of that corner onto the stand, so that's very positive. We're not going to do much talking today, we're just going to get into the video in a second. So yeah, that corner, it's all scaffolding up, they're working away on that at the moment. So yeah, there it is. Don't forget, if you do like this video, you can subscribe to our channel, share the video and leave us a comment in the section down below if there is anything in particular you'd like us to discuss further, or if you've got any questions that we can find out, especially for this live stream we're going to do on Friday. If you leave any questions, we can try and find them out live on Friday. But right now, there it is. Sorry. But right now, let's get straight into this video. Have a good day, take care of yourselves, we'll see you soon.